Good morning guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning! Ang aga pa. In 7 minutes, pupunta na dito yung brother-in-law na Dan. Susunduin niya kami, siya yung maghatid sa amin sa airport. So yung bag ko ready na. Yung kay Dan ready na din. Dito na kami guys. Check-in na kami. Malaysia Airlines.
No, we're okay. Thank you.
Guys. Oh, this is what Sisi said. She said she has one of these and she said it's really good. She's like, I'm gonna smell really good. I think it's the Viva La Juicy that she got.
Oh yeah, the one on the end. Down the bottom.
This?
No, that one.
Which one? This? This one?
Yep.
It's really sweet. That's her kind of thing now. Papunta na kami sa plane, guys. Hindi namin napansin yung oras kasi may kausap ako kanina si Ferdy. Hi, Ferdy! Nagchika-chika kami kanina. Doon siya sa parang, yan, naka-line pa ata siya. Thank you for saying hi! Sabi niya, ilang beses niya na kami nakita pero nahihiya siya mag-hi. Pero, yan, nag-hi siya. Kanina. Dito na kami guys. Malaysian Airlines to guys. Meron silang blanket and pillow. And dito kami sa yung dalawang tao lang. Yan. Window at saka aisle. Bye, rainy Australia. Guys, andito na kami sa Kuala Lumpur. It is now 10 to... What time is it here? Is that correct?
Yeah, 10 to 4.
10 to 3 guys. Kuala Lumpur time ha. Magtitake kami ng tram. Maraming mga ano dito. Mga shops. Kaya lang punta muna kami sa gate namin. Aerotrain guys. To GHAB. Ayan. Wala pa yung train. Hintay-hintay. We can wait here. There's doors everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, we're going to Dan's favorite place in the whole entire world. Last time na nagpunta kami ng Pilipinas, dumaan din kami dito. And sabi niya kung gusto niyang magpalit ng career, dito siya magtatrabaho. Hello! That is cute. Oh, it is a backpack. Do you get chocolate inside? Oh, yeah. Cool. In a lunchbox?
The money box as well, use it for later.
Yeah. Ang cute nito guys. French coffee, Mexican coffee, and then 3, Bali, apat siya kasi buy 3 boxes, get 1 free. Ang cute naman yan. Paano to? Ano to? Parang... But what is it, babe? Is that chocolate? Or...
Chocolate, yeah. Chocolate,
chocolate pala siya.
Yeah, it's actually good. Liqueur.
Papunta kami sa gate namin, guys. OOTD ako. Jeggings. Ito, guys. Sano lang to, guys. Hindi lang. Guys, sano to sa Cebu, sa Toledo. And then, ito, so aesthetic. My bag from Zafu. Converse. Yo. Sabi niya, hello. He said hello. Bye. He said hello. Maganda tong ganitong chair, guys. Kasi parang hindi divided ng ano ba, arm, hindi gagaya ng armchair. So ito pwede ka humiga. 'Di ba, babe? Babe, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, tama. Kakaland lang namin, guys. Umuulan, guys, pero very humid. So, yeah. Ay, okay na dito. May AC dito sa loob. We are in Bangkok, people! First time ko dito sa Bangkok. Nagpunta na kami dito last, pero Phuket yun, guys. And diretso talaga sa Phuket. Walang layover sa ibang city ng Thailand. So, hindi pa kami nakapunta. Hindi pa ako nakapunta. This is your... How many times have you been here before?
10.
Babe.
Okay, 7.
You're lying.
I don't know, a few.
Mistine. Yan yung ano, guys, sikat na Bangkok brand ng makeup. So, yeah, tingnan natin yan pag nag-shopping na tayo. Mistine. Dito na tayo, guys. Punta tayo immigration. And then, yeah, sure, I'll go to the toilet. Nihintay na namin yung bag namin, guys. Nandito yung flight namin. And, walay pa. Medyo kanina pa to kasi nag-immigration pa kami. Pero wala pa ni isa. Taxi kami, guys. So, ano mo lang siya para makakuha ka doon ng ticket. So, the ticket should... There you go. You have a queue number. Okay. 23. Let's go. Ayan yung mga taxi. Sina kuya, naghihintay. Dami tao. Do you just go to kahit sino? Or... Dito na kami sa taxi, guys. So, punta kami sa The Continent Hotel. Yung ano namin, yung hotel namin. And yung bayad is 550 baht. 550. Nag-ano si Dan, nag-email si Dan sa hotel ata. Parang tinanong niya kung ano yung best way papunta doon. Kasi medyo malayo siya. Yung mga 40, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, ganun. Tapos sabi nila, taxi daw. Tapos, it might cost like 400 to 500. Pero si kuya, yung singil niya, 550. Hindi na lang namin tinawadan. Kasi parang okay lang, $50. 50 baht. Okay na yun. 550. How much is that in?
$22.
Yeah, $22. Okay lang. Parang malapit na ata kami, guys. Parang nandito na kami sa parang city talaga nila ba. And inabot na kami ng gabi kasi yung Thailand may forever din pala, guys. Traffic, grabe. Dito na kami sa hotel, guys. Mag-check-in na kami. Meron kami complimentary na apple juice. Naka-check-in na kami, guys. So yung floor namin is 22nd floor. And ito yung elevator nila. Ganyan. Tapos, doon sa taas, meron silang mga lista ng mga floor, like kung asan yung breakfast, yung pool, yung fitness bar. 2203. Ooh. The theme, babe, is Brazil.
Brazil.
Yes. 2203. Maybe our view will be nice. Yes! Our view will be good. Cool. I think you have to put a card in. Mag-room tour tayo, guys. So, dito yung door. And then, may maliit na area dito. Dito nilagay yung card para mag-work yung mga lights. And yan yung mga ano nila. Foyer. Mood light. Toilet. Shower. Okay. And then, sa gilid, like right in front of the main door, is yung toilet natin or yung bathroom. Toilet at bathroom. So, pagkapasok mo, ito yung bubungad sa'yo, guys. Yung sink. Oh, social. Tingnan yung kanilang mga mga toiletries. So, mayroong toothbrush. 2 lang. 3 yung binayaran namin, guys, eh. 3 kasi 3 kaming guest. Pero 2 lang yung toothbrush. Okay lang yan. Sanitary bag. Ito is shaving kit. Babe, you have a shaving kit. Shower cap. Cosmetic set. Ano yung laman ng cosmetic set? Siguro nail file to. Yeah, nail file at saka ano, guys, cotton bud. Shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. Thank you very much. Kahit na may dala naman ako. Blow dryer, salamin. Ganito yung kalaki yung ano nila, salamin. Hello, people. And then toilet. Malaki yung toilet. Nandito na si Kuya. Thank you. Dala-dala ni Kuya yung aming bag. So, dito, guys. And then, meron tayong 2 towel dito. It says Sky. Yan. Thank you. Good night. Yan. And then, yung shower, guys. Malaki naman yung shower. And, meron siyang rain shower at saka yung parang handle na shower. Perfect. Nice. Malaki naman siya. So, okay. Then, sa labas, meron tayong malaking mirror dito, which is always a plus. Yan. And then, sa harap ng mirror, meron tayong closet. So, merong robe. And then, meron tayong safe. Meron din tsinelas doon. At saka, merong kabayo para sa plancha. And then, meron tayong mga Georgian. And then, ito na, guys, yung itsura. We have a view. Building yung view natin. Pero we have 2 beds. It's not that bad, huh? Yung bed. Yeah, because that was supposed to be like a sofa, guys. Pero sinet up na nila. Kasi it is a sofa bed. Pero sinet up na nila na bed agad-agad. So, meron tayong 2, side table. And then, malaking bed, obviously. Tsaka yung maliit na bed para kay Miss. Huy, that's not a bad bed at all. And Miss Sissy's view is really nice. Look! Look, guys. As in, glass talaga siya. Pero it's nice. Kasi nasa 22nd floor kami. Meron na namang salamin dito, which is nice. And then, meron tayong TV doon. Meron tayong desk dyan. And ito yung bath. Thai bath. 50 baht. 100 baht. 100 baht. 500 baht. 1,000 baht. So, nagpa-exchange kami ng $100 sa Australia, guys. And $100 was 2,300 baht. Okay, si Sissy pala, darating siya bukas pa. Kasi bukas, wala lang. Gusto niya lang bukas pa dumating. So, bukas pa siya, guys. We will just walk around today, get some food, and then maybe get a massage as well. Di ganun kaganda yung lighting, guys. Magpapalit lang ako ng bag kasi lalabas kami. Babe, I'm gonna leave my wallet here. I don't need this anyway. Inano ko lang, guys, nilagay ko lang ulit yung lip tint ko, nilagay ko lang ulit yung lip tint ko, yung gamit ko is yung KJM na Bittersweet Magenta, and I have been spraying this on my face all day. Ito yung Keep Cool and Shine Mist. This is from Fixens. Napaka-refreshing niya sa mukha, guys, kasi wala akong face makeup, lip tint lang talaga eh. Ito din, guys, nabili ko to sa Kmart. Ito yung Cooling Cucumber Body Wipes. This is only $1.50. And maganda siya, guys, kasi meron talaga siyang cooling effect. That's $4. That looks like it's $4. Menu.
Yeah, menu.
Ah, this?
Yeah.
Menu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Is this you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there you go, babe. Guys, nandito kami sa street food talaga siya, guys. So, dyan nagbebenta sila ate. And meron silang menu. So, turo-turo lang kami kasi mahirap makipag-usap. And then, nakaupo kami dito sa table, guys. Gusto namin local food. Yung mga ano ba, street food. Yan. What's that, babe?
I'm not sure.
You do not know what it...
No.
Now we're good. Guys, flower tea daw to. Flower tea. And hindi ko lang alam kung anong klase ng flower. Pero it's a flower tea. So, kuha lang sila ng isa pa.
You can have that one there.
Okay. Parang napanood ko to. I think I've watched this somewhere on a video. But I forgot what kind of flower. I forgot. Pero yeah guys, masarap siya. Matamis. And then meron na kaming mga ano dito oh. Vegetable. Ang ingay dito guys kasi katabi talaga kami sa ano. Yan. Sa road. Lumipat kami dito guys sa katabing table. Yung kanina dun kami kanina. Anyway, do you know how much this one was? You should ask so we can tell them how much. This one guys, I think 5 baht yung isa. 5 baht, yeah. 5 baht each. Yeah, tapos yung in-order mo, I think it was 60 baht and then mine was 60 baht as well. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ito yung in-order ko guys, pansit. Parang bihon. 60 baht. Tikman natin to. Guys, ito spicy. Yan lang yung pork ni Dan. Try natin. Ang liit lang pala. Konti lang. And then may sauce dito. Ooh, spicy din to, babe. The sauce. I can see some chili. Guys, tapos na kami kumain. Yung nagastos namin was, how much was it? 120 baht?
150.
150. 150 baht lang guys. So $6 lang siya para sa aming dalawa na yung nadan. May rice na, may ulam na. Tsaka may drink pa, yung masarap na drink. Balik kami sa hotel. Magbibihis lang ako guys. Ang ingay. Magbibihis lang ako kasi nakasapatos pa ako. Magpapamasahe kami. So magsushorts lang siguro ako tapos tsinelas. Dito pala kami nakastay guys. The Continent Hotel. And ganyan yung harap niya. Let's go, babe. Ganyan siya, guys. Guys, lakad-lakad lang kami. Naghahanap kami ng massage. So, nakapagbihis na ako, nakachinelas na ako, nakashorts na ako. Naghahanap kami ng massage, guys. Kaya lang, ayaw namin ng sobrang mahal kasi gusto namin magpamassage kami araw-araw. And kapag sobrang mahal, like let's say $1,000 is how much, babe?
40.
40 bucks. Parang ano na din yun, Australia?
That's expensive.
I know, it's really expensive. Merong mura, kaya lang lalaki, ayaw ni Dan yung lalaki. Ayaw ni Dan na lalaki yung magmassage sa kanya, guys. Gusto niya babae. So, hanap-hanap kami. Ang dami nila. Kaya lang yung iba, na yung sobrang sexy nung nasa labas, parang feeling ko, masahe ba talaga to? Kasi ang sexy, so, ina-avoid namin yung sobrang, parang nakahubad na yung mga nasa labas ba, nagbabantay sa labas. Yeah. Guys, mango stick. 1 kilo. Thank you. This is fresh? Yeah. 50 baht.
Jay's, I'll do you while we're here. That's pretty good bag. That's pretty good. That'll be 20 bucks in Australia.
Thank you. Guys, tignan nyo. And this is, sa Australia siguro $25. Ganito ka. No, actually no.
More.
It's gonna cost you more, yeah. Meron din sila mga bentang ganyan, guys. Pomegranate, oh. 50 baht yung maliit, 80 baht yung malaki. And meron din silang, what's this?
Orange.
Orange juice? Ah, okay. Lemon? Yeah.
Is that lemon?
That one's lemon, yeah.
How much for one lemon?
40.
Oh no, just thinking if you're gonna have tequila, you might need a lemon.
Ah,
Yeah?
tequila? No, not the lemon juice. She's selling the lemon juice, not the lemon.
Yeah, we can buy a lemon.
We can buy a lemon somewhere else,
Oh,
not there.
thank you.
Thank you. Guys, mauubos ko to ngayon. Ang sarap. Ibang-iba sa Australia kasi yung sa Australia, hindi na siya fresh. So, hindi na siya ganun ka, matigas na siya. Like, ito sobrang dali lang niya, guys. Na-open ako na siya agad-agad. Ang sarap. Tapos, ang mura lang. Ubusin ko ito, bukas bili ulit ako 1 kilo. 1 kilo, 60 baht lang. Nakakaloka kayo, message kayo sa akin sa Instagram. Nagsisend kayo ng picture ng mga mangustin nyo. Nakakaingit. Magtabi tayo ng basuran. Kanina pa ako kain ng kain, guys. Pagbili agad namin, kumain agad ako. Kasi ang bilis lang niya i-open. Yung binili ko sa Parafield na naka-sale, tinapon ko, guys. Kasi hindi talaga siya ma-open. As in, sobrang tigas niya. Para talaga siyang bato. So, wala. Tinapon namin Dan. Sayang kasi ang mahal-mahal. Sabi ni Dan, kabisaduhin mo kung ano yung itsura ng fresh. Kahit na sure naman na kapag dumating na dun, hindi na siya ganun ka-fresh. Sabi niya, kabisaduhin mo kasi wag kang bumili kung hindi ka sure na fresh. Kasi sayang talaga. Ang daming natapon. Siguro yung nakain ko sa isang pack na yun, isa lang. Tapos, ang mahal kaya nun. Ito, like, kinuha ko na yung niya, yung ulo niya. Ganunin ko lang siya ng slide. Open na agad-agad. Yun na. Akala ko, sobrang dami ko makikita nagbebenta nito. Pero hindi ganun kadami. Si Kuya, actually, isa lang yung nakita ko, si Kuya lang. Tapos, kailangan pa namin siyang balikan kasi on the way siya papunta sa massage. Binalikan naman siya after ng massage. So, nagpa-massage kami, guys. Whole body, 400 baht. With oil na yun. So, Thai massage with oil na yun. So, yeah, ang ganda. Ganda sa feeling. Kasi mura lang din. Di ba sakit sa puso? Masarap ng tulog namin mamaya. Anyway, kainin ko lang to, guys. Tapos, after nito, magpapahinga na kami kasi maaga pa kami. Bukas pupunta kami ng market. So, yeah. Thank you, guys, sa panonood. So, I hope na-enjoy nyo yung vlog. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, be goodbye. Good night. Mwah!